G'day, I'm Sheepy. Now, many of you out there may know that here in Australia, our Prime Minister is just itching to give away money, and he's calling it a stimulus package. Now, he just doesn't give it to everyone. Oh no, you have to be better off than most to get it, because the people on the lower end of the food chain still miss out. But he's pretty smart, because he knows that poor people don't know how to spend money, so why give it to them? Which, when you come to think of it, makes a lot of sense. So he gives it to the people that know how to throw their money around, the credit card sloggers, and the ones that are earning their keep. You know, the ones that got us all into this predicament to start with. So he's given them a chance to spend their way back into the good books, with taxpayers' money they have already paid. Now, I can see a lot of logic in it all. Make it look like you're giving the public free money, but what a great scam. First they overtax them, and then he gives them back a few measly pennies to make up for it. He's a bit like Robin Hood, or is that Robin Rudd? Anyway, I think it's an ingenious plan to get the economy moving again. And if his plan works, everyone can go about their business again with over-borrowing and spending of more of somebody else's money. Now, this thing they call the monetary system was a great invention, because the world's wealth is simply judged by how much paper money you have. Now, I'm not going to say it's all one big con and that the governments can just print as much as they need. We all know governments are too honest for that. But that's an interesting concept, don't you think? If they print more money, it's okay. But if you print more money, that would be a crime. I can understand them wanting to keep the monopoly on this money printing scam. If too many people do it, then it would no longer have any worth. And recycling money back into a stimulus package wouldn't work then. Now, I think we should all go back into trading for services and products with each another. Forget the money. A trade exchange for an exchange. No debt, no paper money, and no worries. The world has become too greedy and everyone wants to profit off each another. It's like around every corner there's a leech waiting to suck us all dry. Anyway, I'm going again. But bye till next time. Don't forget to count your moolah if you got any. And I'll be back.